Alright class. Today we're going to talk about CSX. It's my favorite freight railroad in Georgia. And in the Florida.
Mr. Gordon, may I use the bathroom?
Of course you can, Scott. But be quick.
Okay. Let's pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
Guys, you gotta get out of here, there's a fire drill.
Scott, I'm not sure it was you who put the fire alarm.
I just came out the bathroom and that happened.
Well, let's get out of here. Do you want to know who pulled the fire alarm? Maybe you should check the security cameras if you did it. Okay, I'll check if you did it.
Scott's crash test dummy told me everything. Why would you pull the fire alarm? Do you know there's only 4 fires there in the school? If there was a fire here, you die. That's it, you're suspended for 300 days. Go home right now.
Scott, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? Go to your room right now. You're grounded, 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 grounded.
Wow.